practice English speaking.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Practice English Speaking channel.
We're very happy to have you here today.
Today, you'll listen to a real English conversation between two friends about sharing dreams and goals in English.
This episode is perfect for A2 to B1 level learners to practice listening, speaking, and useful everyday phrases.
We'll talk naturally, just like real friends, using simple and clear English.
You'll improve your confidence in real-life situations, learn natural expressions, and get better at speaking fluently.
So relax, listen carefully, and don't forget to repeat after us.
Let's get started.
So, tell me, do you have any dreams or goals these days?
Yes, I do. I have a big dream. I want to improve my English and speak confidently.
That's a great goal. Why is English important for you?
Because English can help me get a better job and talk to people from different countries.
I feel the same way. English opens many doors.
Do you have short-term goals and long-term goals?
Yes, my short-term goal is to practice speaking every day.
And your long-term goal?
My long-term goal is to travel and work with international people.
That sounds exciting.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I remind myself why I started. My dream gives me energy.
That's smart. I also try to take small steps.
Are you ever afraid of failing?
Yes, sometimes. But failure is part of learning.
I agree. Making mistakes helps us grow.
Exactly. We learn from mistakes, not from perfection.
It's easier when someone supports you.
True. Friends can motivate each other. That's why conversations like this are helpful.
Yes, talking about goals makes them feel real.
If you could give one advice to beginners, what would it be?
I would say don't give up and practice a little every day.
Great advice. Consistency is the key.
Yes, practice, patience, and positive thinking. Let's practice some key words and phrases from today's conversation. Dream.
A dream is something you really want in the future. My dream is to speak English fluently.
Goal.
A goal is a plan you work toward. My goal is to practice English daily.
Short-term goal.
A goal for the near future. My short-term goal is to learn new words.
Long-term goal.
A goal for the future. My long-term goal is to work abroad.
Feeling excited to do something.
To stop trying. Example, don't give up.
To do something again and again.
Something that is not correct.
Believing in yourself.
We often use want to for dreams. Example, I want to improve my English.
We use my goal is to for plans. Example, my goal is to speak clearly.
Now it's your turn.
What is your dream?
What is one goal you are working on now?
Before we end, let's talk a little more about how dreams change over time.
Yes, that's important. Dreams don't always stay the same.
When I was younger, my dream was very simple.
What was it?
I just wanted a stable job and a happy life.
That's still a good dream. But now, has your dream changed?
Yes, it has grown.
How?
Now I want to grow personally and help my family.
That shows maturity.
Do you think age affects dreams?
Yes, a little.
In what way?
When we're young, dreams are big and sometimes unrealistic.
And when we grow older?
We become more practical, but dreams are still important. Many people have dreams, but they don't start.
Yes, fear stops them.
Fear of what?
Fear of failure. Fear of judgment.
I understand that feeling.
What do you think helps the most?
Taking small actions.
Can you give an example?
Sure. If your dream is English, speak 5 minutes daily.
5 minutes is easy.
Exactly. Small actions build confidence. Many learners say, my English is bad.
But that's okay.
Yes, English doesn't need to be perfect.
It just needs to be clear.
And confident.
Who supports you in your goals?
My family and friends.
That helps a lot.
Yes, support gives strength. Mindset is also important.
Positive thinking?
Yes, if you believe you can improve, you will.
I completely agree. Let's do a quick speaking practice.
Repeat after me. My dream is...
My goal this month is...
I will not give up.
Remember, dreams need time.
And goals need action.
Start today, not tomorrow.
Thank you for practicing with us.
Keep listening, keep speaking.
Your English will improve.